My NDE totally shifted how I think about life and death and religion, how I think about everything. Because when you know that death is not the end, it changes everything. When I look at the picture now, I'm a different person. I am much more spiritual now. The old me was very by the book, black and white, everything very rigid, very structured. I did not believe in life after death. I thought when you die, that's it. It's over, lights out, you're done. And that is not the case. Consciousness survives.